Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, October the 21st, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it cipher block, and this one I will continue, is the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 5364. 5364. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then, wow, cannot continue. Now I need think logical. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 1s in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place the 4th O here, then we still have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be an O, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then I need to think again. 3 O's we have here in this row. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay. Then. Come on. This one you need to think. 1, 2, 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay, 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 1s in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then. Think. This one is hard one. 1 O and 1 4. Come on. Overlook something. O and 1 3 4 no. I think I need to compare now. Yeah. This column and that column. Empty box. 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. Well, if I don't switch and I place here an O, then this should be a 1. Then we have identical columns. Not allowed one of the rules. So we need to switch those and digits. So we have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then 3 ones we have here. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this last column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 3 ones in this column. If I place a number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Wow, this one is complicated, this binary puzzle. This one, first time. 3 O's we have here. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Wow. Here also 1, 2, 3, O and a 1. 1, 2, 3, O and a 1. Compare again. O and a 1, O and a 1, O and a 1. Yeah, I need to compare. Well. Here could be an O. Here could be O. This is almost the same. Well. Let me compare the rows. O10. Do we have O10 here? No. 001. 01. No. 101. No. Double 1, double O. Wow. This one is complicated. I think we need to do something with 101. 10. Double O. If we place the O there. This one is also almost the same. Ay. 100. 101. This one. This is not the same. Ay. Do we have a double 1 here? No. Not the same. Ay. Double O 10. Yeah. Found the rows that I need to compare. No, 011, empty box, O 01111. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Okay, now we have these 2 rows to compare. 0011. Oh, no. Totally different. Okay. Well, and now then. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be definitely a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Right. And then Yeah, 3. This one is very complicated. 10, 10. Do we have a 10, 10 here? 10, 10 here. I need to compare this row and that row. A lot of comparing. 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box. 0, 0, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, complete in 10 minutes. Wow. Not pleased with the time, but let me give this a 4 stars. This one is very complicated and I've enjoyed this binary. Yes, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now. Enjoy this binary, people. Yes, enjoy this binary. Complicated, but we solve it again. Bye bye for now.